Hi, are you struggling with making progress in your health, in your money, and in your business? And you often feel overwhelmed, or you don't know where to start, or you keep trying new things and you're still not getting the results that you want, or you feel like a hamster on a wheel and you might make 5 steps forward, but then you make 5 steps back. I get it, I've been there. My name is Katrina Julia, and I'm a transformation coach and lifestyle entrepreneur and the creator of Fit Life Creation. I personally lost over 55 pounds with the lifestyle system that I'm going to share with you, as well as this 7-day challenge. I also, as a CPA, consistently would make others 7 to 9 figure results year over year in multiple industries. Yet despite all that, because of my own issues with worth, my own issues with belief or faith in myself, or believing that I was worthy of freedom, or I was worthy of the same results and creating a life and a business that I love, I struggled with that for years. And I've transformed my entire wealth. I've developed several different programs. 6-pack of wealth is one of them. We always talk about a 6-pack of abs. Well, what about a 6-pack of wealth, right? And I also developed Fit Life Creation, creating an all-in-one lifestyle platform to help you get healthy, make money, and build brands in all of our experiences, whether it's a 7-day challenge like this one, or our masterminds, our retreats, or our academies. So what's the 7-day challenge? What would you get? And why would you want to join us? Well, the 7-day challenge, you guys, is 7 days of course content for $35. Yes, I know people tell me I'm crazy. I like to give and give and give because I'm so deeply passionate about helping you get results a lot faster than I did. And the 7-day challenge is online mixture. The 7-day challenge is online mixed with tips, tools, and technology that you get. What is the 7-day challenge, and what are the tips, tools, and technologies that you get included? First, you get an online course that gives you focused information on things like a lifestyle assessment, transformation treats, recipes, a guide, a meal plan, a trial pack with Herbalife, what I call our transformation pack. You also get a Spend Smart guide. You also get my 6-pack of wealth guide to help you get clear with your finances, not only from a personal standpoint, but also from a business standpoint. And you also get a boss brand builder. And you guys, I'm crystal clear that this is worth thousands of dollars of information, but I'm literally giving it to you for $35 because I don't want you to have any roadblocks in getting results, because this is a course you can use over and over and over, because you might get certain things from the content now and later you're going to get something else and you can revisit it because you have a meal plan guide, you have a workout guide, and you'll have all these different things that'll keep you focused even if you don't decide to do anything else with us. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. I even offer you a free 7-day challenge sneak peek guide because I am super passionate about you getting results in every area of your life towards creating a life and a business that you love.